What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Dodge remote head key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Dodge vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to do this is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look on the one side down by the key blade, we see there's this little notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm just going to twist like that. So put my screwdriver in that notch and then twist. And as I do that, you can see it pops the back of the shell up just a little bit. Then go ahead and pull that back off. And we can see our battery right here in this back piece. And then I'm just going to use my screwdriver. There's a little bit of a cutout right here in the holder that you can get under the edge of the battery and get it out of there. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down in that holder like that. Plus side down. And then once we have our new battery in that holder, we'll just snap the two halves back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.